Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the about device, to the system settings here. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see developer options. If they are activated, we'll see the developer options section. And then just to turn off or to hide developer options, you should click here once again on the switcher, and when we'll go back, we can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.